Welcome back everyone, and thanks for joining me today. In this video, we are going to look at how to disable notifications in the Brave Nightly browser on mobile devices. If you are tired of constant alerts or want a cleaner browsing experience, first, open the Brave Nightly browser on your mobile phone. Next, look at the bottom right and tap on the three-dot menu. Then, tap on Settings from the list that appears. Scroll down slowly until you find the Notifications option. After that, tap on Notifications to open notification permissions and controls. Here, you will see the option labeled Allow Notifications. Finally, turn off Allow Notifications to completely stop websites from sending alerts to your device. Once disabled, Brave Nightly will no longer interrupt you with notification pop-ups or background alerts. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.